Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 19, Nutrition in Plants. In this worksheet, we will discuss key points or key words of the chapter. First one is autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. All green plants which have chlorophyll make their own food in the presence of sunlight. That is why they are called autotrophs, and such type of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. Second one is heterotrophic nutrition. हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन क्या होता है बच्चों? द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन विच organisms take food prepared by plants or from other animals is called heterotrophic nutrition. यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए बच्चों? heterotrophic nutrition. So all animals which are dependent on plants for their food are called heterotrophs, and such type of nutrition is known as heterotrophic nutrition. Third one is parasite. An organism, it may be plant or animal, that lives in or on another organisms and gets nutrients from it is called parasite. तो parasites कौन से animals और plants होते हैं? Which lives in or on another organisms or another organism's body and gets nutrients from it are called parasite. Example is amar bale, or which is also known as Cuscuta amar bale. Amar bale is a non-green plant which don't have chlorophyll. That is why it dependent on green plants for their food, and it is known as parasite. Now, host. What do you mean by host? The plant or animal from which a parasite gets its food is called host. Host क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Is the organisms or plants or animals from which parasites जो हैं वो अपना food जिन animals और plants से लेते हैं. These animals and plants are called host. Next is saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition क्या होता है? This mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients from dead and decaying matter is called saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic means the non-green plants which take their food from dead and decaying matter. Example क्या है इसके? All types of fungi. Fungi are non-green plants and which take their food from dead and decaying matter. That is why they are called saprophytes, and such type of nutrition is known as saprophytic nutrition. Next is insectivorous plants. Plants which eat insects. So insect eating plants are called insectivorous. Examples are pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. Here the picture is given to you. It is pitcher plant. So these are such key words of the chapter. Now you have to remember, nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. So this is called nutrition, and thus there are many ways of getting food or nutrition. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is dash and dash are autotrophs. So you can write plants and algae. All green plants. Plants and algae. Algae are the green plants which make their own food. That is why they are autotrophs. So plants and algae are autotrophs. Mushroom or fungi is an example of saprophytic nutrition. So you have to write here saprophytic nutrition. Third question, write two examples of organisms which are heterotrophs. So you can write the names of two animals which are dependent on plant for their food. So you can write any animal name, two animal names in the answer of this question. Question number 4, choose the correct statement. You have given two statements, you have to choose the correct statement. First one is, insectivorous plants get their nutrition from insects only. This statement is wrong, because insectivorous plants gets their nutrition from insects, as well as they prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Statement 2, Amar bale, or which is also known as Cuscuta, is an example of parasite plant. This is true. So correct statement is second one. Thanks for watching.